People, welcome back to Politricks. This is RP. Now, this is the very first edition in the Gwaan with series. A shorter style of content, shorter videos, basically just looking back on some old case where them things that we forget. And the things that the case get cool, but first edition, Gwaan with Gabriel King case. Remember the big court battle over the mother, Amoi and Issa. Remember from day one, me at the store, I said that the story that can't make no sense. Remember the unicorn story? She had drive, slow down for going on patrol, 87, strategically located at the patrol, drag her out of the car, and gone with the youth. And the child was found butchered like some kind of animal. And people have stomach make out of vibranium. The boy was autistic. Special needs. With a special type of dirty heart to pull off them things. All she had to do was clear her name. My picnic and dead. Under them circumstances, yeah. And there's a cloud hanging over me. And all me have to do is make police. She said, me never da communicate with such people. And me never last send this and send that to clear my name, and me rather have the cloud hang over my name because me want maintain privacy. The death of my child and clearing my name from the death of my child will take precedence over anything. Clear your name. You take court order, you take this, you take that, just to end up give the access to the phone anyway. So them get access to the phone from September 2023 and now we're in May 2024. So I'm just asking what Gwaan with the Gabriel King case. Some of us would like to know, I mean, is it still on? Is it still a thing? Something that gonna happen? Because I would think that now that some get access, then they can do what they want to do. Again, like I say, oh, make man do their job. No problem. You do your job. I do my job. My job is asking questions. One of my job is asking questions from the authorities. So I'm just ask what Gwaan with the case. That's it. No offense. But I have to cuss and say the YouTubers okay, mama. I'm just asking what Gwaan with the Gabriel King case. That is all. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know more life. Ultra squad, see you circling. Bless.